July has carried alleviation to the crypto market, with Ethereum exemplary, ETC, the apparently dead coin and not really comparative clone of Ethereum's Ether, ETH, token, and other undesirable coins like UNI and MATIC driving the recuperation in computerized resources with no less than $1 billion market esteem. And so on has added 184% this month, while scaling system Polygon's MATIC and decentralized trade Uniswap's UNI have acquired 102% and 86% individually, CoinDesk information show. Industry pioneer Bitcoin, BTC, had added 20% and Ether 60% at press time. The absolute crypto market capitalization has bounced back to $1.14 trillion from last month's $762.82 billion low. Experts said coin explicit variables are at play close by the more extensive market risk reset play. Ethereum's unionability etc. rally and so on is being driven by theory that ETH excavators will go to etc. and possibly, there could be another hard fork helping them, Lucas Adamoro, head of exploration at Into the Block, said. The driver for the move is Ethereum's looming merge to move from the organization's confirmation of work, POW, blockchain to a proof of stake, POS, blockchain. Ethereum's beacon chain has been running beginning around 2020 as a feature of that interaction. After the merge, liable to occur on September 19, Ethereum will begin working as a POS chain, requiring market members known as validators to stake, or hold, a base number of coins to Affirm exchanges as a trade-off for remunerations. In a POW framework, excavators tackle a computational issue to check exchanges. The union means Ethereum diggers should find another home, in all likelihood Ethereum Classic, which is probably the main chain viable with the Ethereum mining apparatus. Ethereum's mining network is comprised of two sorts of equipment, ASICs and GPUs, Masari Sami Kasab said in an examination report. The issue with ASICs is that they can't be reused for various applications other than mining ETH. Ethereum Classic is the main other POW coin that can be mined with an ETH ASIC, since its hashing calculation is viable with ETH's calculation. As of late, Ant Pool, the Bitmain partnered mining pool, contributed $10 million to help the Ethereum Classic biological system. Ethereum Classic is a hard-forked rendition of Ethereum, brought into the world from a hack of the DAO, a savvy contract working on the Ethereum blockchain, in 2016. And so forth's July gain is steady with a background marked by revitalizing around the hour of major Ethereum overhauls. And so on's April 2021 meeting corresponded with Ethereum's Berlin update. Likewise, etc. is by all accounts mobilizing on the rear of assumptions connected with the merge, Toronto-based crypto stage FRNT Financial said in an email, adding that financial backers might consider etc. to be a support against expected hardships in the change. Polygon makes the right clamor. MATIC is by all accounts receiving benefits from Polygon's development plans and organization declarations. The scaling framework reserved $20 million to help projects relocating to its foundation from the Terra blockchain. Disney, DIS, said recently that Polygon was one of the 6 organizations chose for a business improvement gas pedal program. Moreover, Polygon said it was building a ZOVM, or Zero Information Framework, in a bid to cut exchange charges by 90% in correlation with Ethereum. As per FRNT Financial, the ZOVM plan has added to excitement in the biological system. Polygon works with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running sidechains, or unrelated organizations, close by the primary Ethereum blockchain. Scaling alludes to expanding the framework's throughput, as estimated by exchanges each second. MATIC approached $1 early Friday, the most elevated since May 9. Uniswap's bullish charge switch. While UNI isn't the main decentralized finance, DeFi, related token to energize, its outperformance might result from the Uniswap people group's choice to support a expense switch recommendation that guides a part of exchanging charges to the UNI holders. When the proposition is carried out, around 10% of exchanging expenses could go to UNI holders, as indicated by Elon Solat, an accomplice at crypto speculative stock investments Tagus Capital. At present, they get no offer in the convention's income, in opposition to Sushi token and CRV token holders. The whole sum gathered from the trade's 0.3% exchanging cost goes to liquidity suppliers. UNI holders casted a ballot predominantly for the proposition. Presently it's an issue of execution. It seems as though it would be 10% of exchanging expenses, assessed at $20K 40K each day for the depository. Clearly, this decidedly affected the UNI token, Salat wrote in Thursday's Everyday Market Update. UNI was changing hands at $8.90 at the hour of composing, having contacted a 3.5-month high of $9.84 on Thursday.